Hey everyone, it's Stephanie Kinney from Exit Realty, and today we are going to make a caramel apple pie. So my daughter's really good at making pies, so we're at her house and she is gonna make a pie for us, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So to make this pie, we're gonna need milk, brown sugar, vegetable oil, butter, oats, vanilla, cinnamon, flour, sugar, salt, and some of those delicious apples we talked about on my video last week. So first you mix together the flour, sugar, oil, and milk. And this is gonna be for the crust. And what do you do, Sadie?
You just mix it. And then once it's fully mixed, we'll pound it into the pan.
Once you have it all mixed together, she says you just use your hands to push it down. And you push it up on the sides too, Sadie?
Yep.
So push it all the way around on the sides and on the top and the bottom. So while you are waiting for the pie crust to bake, then we will start mixing the ingredients for the filling. And the filling is, what's in the ingredients for the filling, Sadie?
Sugar, flour, cinnamon, salt, the apples, and that's it.
There are your apples. You need to peel them, wash them, then peel them. And then you cut them up and you want what?
Thick slices.
So show me what a thick slice is.
About that big. All right, then you mix your topping and you put your apples in it to get them fully covered. That's it. Okay, next you're gonna make your crumb, which goes on top of the pie once you put the apples in. It has brown sugar, flour, oats, and butter. Next we're gonna put the apples in and just spread them out throughout the whole pie. And then next you put your crumble on top of it. You spread it out evenly. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, and then you bake it for an hour.
So how long did we cook it?
25 minutes.
25 minutes, and then you put tin foil around it.
Yeah, to keep the sides of the crust from burning.
And then you're gonna put it back in for another
35 minutes.
So it's just kind of wrapped around the sides.
Yep. All right, and then you put brown sugar, butter, milk, and vanilla in a pan and heat it on low until it becomes a creamy substance.
And you call that the caramel, right?
Yep. All right, and then you take your caramel sauce and just pour it on the pie right out of the oven.
That looks really good. So she's making this pie for her husband, my son-in-law Tucker. So I'm sure he'll be excited when he gets home from work and gets this delicious caramel apple pie. So as you can see, she's finished the pie here. And so that is how you make a caramel apple pie, and I will include the recipe at the end. And for those of you like me who cannot make a pie, you can go to Julia's Holiday Pies. It will be on my Facebook, and I'm actually doing a drawing for 2 free pies to give away. And the first 25 customers to order a pie through her will get $2 off their pie. So go ahead and order them from Julia if you want fresh baked pies for Thanksgiving and don't know how to cook. Unlike my daughter here, who does a wonderful job. Mercedes, who taught you how to cook? Because it wasn't me.
My Paco.
Her grandfather, my dad, taught her how to make pies. I'm great at making regular dinners, but sweets are not my forte. Thanks everyone for joining us at Skinny Real Estate, and we'll see you again soon.